Hey all, today I want to teach how to alter your name in Google Meet. First, open your browser and join any ongoing meeting. Once you're inside a Zoom meeting, you'll see where my name is written. To change this, Google Meet doesn't offer any direct options. We need to open a new type. Once this opens up, you'll find an icon here. Click on it, and a new format will appear. In this new format, find the Manage Your Google Account button and click on it. Another new format will pop up. Look for the name that's already written in Google Meet. To change it, you'll see a Personal Info button. Click on it, scroll down a bit, and select the section with your name. Click on Edit, and then on Edit, again under your address. Let's change this. I'll remove my last name. After removing it, there will be a Save button below. Click on it to update your name, then close this window. Let's return to Google Meet. Once here, refresh this page after a short while. After refreshing, don't click to rejoin. Instead, re-enter the meeting. Now you'll see my name is updated. That's how you change your name in Google Meet. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.